Hello everyone, welcome to the daily market overview with Dylan Peacock. Let's go straight into the Dow. The Dow daily trend is up, 8 is above 21, 21 is above 50. The current support level is at the 50 level of the monthly high low. I'm looking for a candle close above the 100 level to enter a new position long. You can see that price moved and broke the 100, however it did not close above the 100 and then it came down, and this is why we wait for candle close above our levels. US Tech daily trend is up, 8 is above 21, 21 is above 50. Current support level is at the 100 level of the monthly high low. I'm waiting for a candle close above the 127 to enter my new position long. S&P 500 daily trend is up, 8 is above 21, 21 is above 50. I'm waiting for a candle close above the 127 level of the monthly high low to enter a new position long. The Rand is currently trading at 17 Rand 98 cents to the dollar. I'm currently waiting for a short position below the 127 of the monthly high low. I'm not going to add any long positions to this as it has run quite a lot. It has reached the 161.8 extension fib of the monthly high low. The trend is up. Price is above the 21 moving average. Current support is at the 127 level. Gold daily trend is down, 8 is below 21 and the 8 moving average has crossed below the 50 moving average. Once it breaks this candle low at the 23.6 of the monthly high low, I will enter a position short with my stop loss being at 1890.82. This will be the previous resistance shelf. Copper daily trend is down, 8 is below 21. Current support level is the 50. I'm waiting for copper to break down below the 50 candle close and I will enter a short position with my stop loss being at this resistance shelf at the 61.8. Dollar index trend is up, 8 is above 21. The dollar is currently trading at 103.34. If it breaks this resistance shelf, I will continue looking for short positions on copper and on gold. Thank you for listening to the market overview. Have a good day.